Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating the Google app and Moto system components. This ensures Circle to Search is available. Once done, open the Google app and grant camera, microphone, and accessibility permissions. Next, enable Google Assistant and Lens features, then toggle Circle to Search inside Google App Settings. Make sure you set Google as the default assistant so the gesture routes correctly. Doing this now removes permission blocks and prepares the phone so the gesture responds instantly when you draw the circle. You perform the action by opening the screen you want to search and drawing a quick circle around the target with your finger. Once you lift your finger, the Google overlay captures that region and runs Lens or a web search. This happens because Circle recognizes screen content and queries the Google service. If the first capture misses, immediately redraw a tighter circle or include more surrounding pixels to help detection. Then tap the suggested card or lens result to view information or take action. To finish, tap the card produced by Circle to Search and choose Save, Copy, Share, or Open in Lens for deeper analysis. If the gesture stops working, make sure Google is the default assistant and restart the phone. That often restores the routing. If it still fails, go to Settings, clear the Google app cache and storage, then re-grant permissions and re-enable Circle. This reset resolves most permission or overlay conflicts. Try these steps before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.